Welcome to GateCrafters.com. This is our gate design tool. We're going to be walking you through this tool today so that way you can feel comfortable using our software to design a gate. I'm going to go step by step to help you with this process. First step is picking a size of your gate. Let's go with our most popular size, which is close to about a 14-foot gate. Instantly you see that the image of the gate will change. You also have an option of height. You could do a 6-foot gate, or let's say an 8-foot gate, or anything in between, no extra charge, as long as you let us know on step 5. Let's go with a 6-foot gate because that's our most common size. Below, you have an option where you could do a single or a dual gate. We're going to stick with a single gate today because that's our most popular width is single. Down below, you will have an option to choose your powder coat color. You can do black, green, gray, bronze, tan, white, or even a custom color. Let's go with black because that is our most popular finish. Below, you will have an option to change the way your gate looks up top. You have an option as an inverted arc, a standard arc, a valley, a peak, a bell curve, or a high-low. Our most popular style is our bell curve. Let's move on to step 2. On step 2, you have an option where you could select posts to hang your gate from. You could do 3x3 8-foot post, or 4x4 10-foot post. Or you could do no posts and just use hinge plates that you can attach to an existing surface such as a column or a post to hang your gate from. Let's select 3x3s. Below, you have an option if you want to decorate your post by putting what they call a ball cap on that. Here is an example. As you can see here, we have a ball cap on that. That's a decorative look if you want to add that. If not, you could use our standard free look, which we're going to go with that because that's a little bit more popular than the ball. Once we scroll below, you have an option for spears. If you would like to decorate your gate and add a spear, this is something that's very popular with our customers. We offer a free plastic spear, which is a weatherproof outdoor spear. We also offer metal spears. Our metal spears are a little bit more cost, but they could add a little bit more flair to your gate. I'm going to show you our most popular spear, which is this unit here. So we're going to go with this look and move on to step 3. Step 3 allows you to define your gate a little bit better. This means adding, let's say, a top bar to follow the curve. We could do a 2-top bar, which is a nice look, where the pickets will come out the frame, but you'll have 2 bars to follow the curve. That adds a little bit more stability to your gate and also adds a nice look. If you would like to make your gate even more decorative, if you add a double top bar and a double bottom bar, we can actually move down a step and add rings to the gate. Rings at the top, rings at the bottom. Rings are one of our most popular looks with the customers. It adds a lot of stability to your gate and also gives it a nice decorative look. If you just wanted rings at the top as an example, we can remove them from the bottom. And if you have any pets, you could do what they call restraint pickets or puppy pickets. This allows the pet not to get through the spacing of the picket. This is a very popular look whether you have pets or not. It also adds a little bit more strength to your gate and adds it a decorative look where you have spears at the top and they also will sit on top of the dog pickets. If you would like to dress up the gate even further, you could add what they call collars to the gate. By clicking this box, you can add collars. We have a couple different options for collars. You can add them as to follow the curve. You could do every other picket or every third picket. You could also do them in a high-low or a straight across option. Let's go with the high-low. Let's see if we can go with every other picket. That's a nice look for this gate here. Or you can just do every picket and have a nice straight look. So for my design here, I prefer to have it as every third picket, and I'm going to do a straight across. Let's move on to step 5. Step 4 here. Alright, on step 4, what you're going to be able to do is if you want to add anything else to the gate, such as ornamentation to it, we have a few options where you could do palm trees, stars, we have doves, a couple different examples as you can see here are some things that you can add to the frame to make it look a little more decorative. If you actually check a box, you'll get a quantity, they'll pop up onto the gate. You could simply drop these off where you want to onto the frame if you want to add a little bit more flair to the look. So simply by checking the box and adding quantity, you'll be able to drag these and place them on the gate where you select. On this gate, we already have a lot going on, so I'm going to remove this and kind of give it a more simple, modern look. So from here, we're going to move over to step 5. Step 5 is the last part of our process here. It's going to give you a price of the gate, a cost of a powder coat color if you choose it, all your add-ons such as your top style, your 2-bar, your rings, 1 bar at the base, your picket spears, your restraint pickets that we added, the collars that I did, and also the cost of my posts that I added to the order. Once you submit your design, you will just go to the base of step 5. You want to put your first name, last name, email, phone number, zip code, and also if you have any comments, let's say if you wanted to change the gate to 4 foot high versus 6 foot high, all you would have to do is leave us a note, and on your final paperwork we can make that happen for you. So basically by doing 1 step to 5 step, we're able to break you down through all our steps in our tool and get a gate that you might love to have. We simply take a $200 down payment to get the process going, and when it's complete, we ship it off to you anywhere in the country.